Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jennifer. I'm from the Bay Area, and go ahead and subscribe so you can see more videos of me. I do makeup looks, vlogs, and like a lot of other crazy videos. Not crazy, but like, you know, other videos. But yeah, you guys, hopefully you find this very helpful. If you want to see how I get this look, please keep on watching, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this eyeshadow in the shade Love. It's like a pink shade, and then grab this essence a blending brush. It is super cheap, super bomb, and blends so good, and it's so fluffy. It's like a book. It's super cheap, but it's super bomb. And then just apply it all over my eye, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take this Wet n Wild brush. Let me finish blending, and okay, and then grab this shade. It's called volatile, whatever, and then I put that all over my crease. Blend, and then grab this Vasanti brush, spray it down with the MAC Fix Plus, tap it down on my hand, and then grab this shade called, what is it called? Oh, Wild Child. And look at that. Do you guys see that? It's like a little fallout. Yup, that's weird, but that happens when you wet your eyeshadow. But look at the results. Super bomb. Then I'm gonna go take the Modern Renaissance in the shade Cypress, and then apply it with a Morphe G18 brush, I believe, G18. And apply it on my outer corner. Grab my mascara, my Man Eater mascara, and my wing is on, and then this ABH liquid lipstick in Dolce.
Thank you so much for watching. I am missing my lashes. That would just like make the look, but I don't have lashes with me right now. I'm actually gonna go get some, and yeah, so that's why it probably doesn't like stand out as much as I wanted to. But yeah, this is the end of the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.